Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. Today, we are showing you this amazing property located here inside the secured subdivision in San Fernando, Pampanga. This is near SM Pampanga, Robinsons, and NLEX. This property is priced at 48 million pesos. It has a lot area of 531 square meters, floor area of 543 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, swimming pool with jacuzzi, sauna, living area, show kitchen, daily kitchen, indoor and outdoor dining, family room, linen storage, spacious balconies, and so much more. Contact us for viewing. Guys, as you can see, behind me is this amazing American-style house and lot for sale. Ang ganda ng facade, mixture ng light and dark colors. Very nice light sconces on the sides ng house natin. And guys, it's located on a cul-de-sac. So, meaning, maraming parking. So, let's go inside. If you can notice guys, yung fence natin is mababa lang. It's about 2 meters. Kasi yun ang overall theme ng village natin. Some houses dito walang fence, pero ito you have the mixture ng security and aesthetic. Let's go in. So to my left, meron tayo ditong very nice African talisay tree. Very nice landscaping over there. Steps. Right here, more greenery. Of course. This way is leading to your coffee area and your garage. Later, we'll go there. And guys, look at this amazing front porch natin. We have a double door. It's wood with metal handle. Very nice ceiling treatment, wooden design. Let's go in. First reaction ko kanina when I entered this house is wow. Number one, because of the flooring, you can see the herringbone design ng tiles natin all throughout, diba? This is your living area right here. Sa living area natin, we have a double height ceiling. And of course, the rooms up there, makikita natin from here. Very nice chandelier, of course. We have the dining area right here. Your dining table will be placed under this very nice light fixture. Kasya dito kahit 10-seater dining table, diba? Big windows around, of course. And ang ganda ng ating show kitchen. Guys, this one, the counter is marble. We have this very nice light fixture. Of course, your range hood. Tons of storage underneath, guys. The drawers are soft closed. Okay, very nice. And check nyo guys, oh, meron na siyang mga organizers. Which I think is very convenient pag mag-move na kayo. Behind us is the sink with more countertop, storage up on top, and of course, your 2-door refrigerator. Very nice. One more look sa ating kitchen, dining, and of course, yung ating living area. Before tayo pumunta sa mga other areas, check muna natin yung garage. So, behind this door, right here sa kitchen natin, we have this very nice daily kitchen, or some call it the dirty kitchen, which is not dirty. Very nice, tons of counter space, open shelves up on top. The range will be here, your range hood, ayan, nakaabang na po, of course. And this way is going out to your garage. Yung covered area natin can fit up to 3 vehicles, okay? 1, 2, and 3. But like I said kanina, this is located on a cul-de-sac. So we have this space outside. Right now may tatlo. So if you have gatherings right here, kumbaga maraming mapapaparkingan yung guest natin. This side right here can be your sitting area or your coffee area in the morning, especially right now it's almost 10 a.m. You can have your coffee table right here, di ba? Relaxing in the morning. And this goes back to your front door. Okay. Now, let's use the back side na lang muna, no? Okay? Tingnan nyo guys yung mga neighbors nyo, oh, magaganda rin yung houses. This door is locked at the moment, but this is your staff room with their own toilet and bath. Okay? Tapos this door right here is your laundry. May abang na dito for your power and your water. Laundry yan. Your pump room is here. And this one is your shower for your swimming pool. Very nice. And napansin ko guys, dito sa side na to, yung doors natin are metal. So very sturdy yan. Okay? Greenery right here. And of course, your very own swimming pool with jacuzzi. And makikita nyo rin guys, sa backside ng house natin, maganda rin yung ating design, no? Meron tayong terrace on both sides, di ba? Now, let's go through here na lang. This space right here, pwede ditong lounging area for your swimming pool, of course. But we have a dedicated area for that. This one is a smart use of space because we have storage room right here. Diba? So, hindi siya sayang. Now, let's head back in. Another look of our kitchen, of our dining, and of course, our living. By the way, guys, this house is semi-furnished. So we have the kitchen appliances, of course, and air conditioning included. Ngayon, this door is your... Ito exciting to kasi maraming pwedeng gawin. It can be a gym room. It can be a video okay room. Ang maganda pa dito guys we have air conditioning, big sliding door heading out to the pool. Of course, big windows all around. Plus, it has its own infrared sauna. Imagine guys, after mo mag-pool, punta ka dito, di ba? Sauna, which is very healthy. May studies yan. Okay? Now, on the side, we have another shower right here. So, in the event you want this to become a gym, yan, may shower area na tayo dito. Okay. Let's head back out. Ganda ng double height to. Very nice. This door, behind the gym room, is your powder room. So we have the toilet and the sink right there. Nice. And this is your guest room. Ito facing the front of the house. We have big windows. Bed will go right here, of course. The flooring is the same as outside, herringbone design. Now, this is your guest bathroom with your rainfall shower head. It's partially enclosed with toilet and your sink. Ganda. Ang ganda rin ng view sa outside, oh. Okay. Now it's time to go to the second floor. So, notice ko rin that the stairs are not the usual width kasi malawak siya. We have wooden planks right there, wooden handrails with metal support right here. On the mid-landing, we have this very nice big window for natural light. It can be open for ventilation, of course. And guys, upon landing here, you have this open to below space para makita nyo yung inyong living area below. Really nice. And of course, yung pool kita rin dito. Let's check this room first. This is your family area. Spacious family area, can be a TV room, a theater, up to you, di ba? It can also be a room if you need one. If you need one more, then this is your balcony that has a view of your pool. And guys, I don't know if makikita, you have a view of Mount Arayat right here. Okay ba i-zoom natin konti? Kaya ba nating i-zoom? Ayan, para naman makita natin. Kasi ako, yan o, di ba? Ang ganda. Okay. Let's go back in. Ganda, Mount Arayat. Ako na-imagine ko, magko-coffee ka dito in the morning. Tapos kita mo yung view ng Mount Arayat. Okay. Let's come back in. Family area, of course. Now, we have our first bedroom sa second floor. Ito amazing to. Kasi kung nakita nyo yung parang ganong design, nag-translate siya sa loob. It's a cathedral ceilings na style. Very spacious, big windows, of course. Natural light coming in. Very nice light fixture. And of course, you have your own built-in cabinets right here na laminated, soft closing with drawers na rin na soft closing din. Really nice. Dito yung mga outfits, di ba? And all. Tapos we have a door right here na may access sa toilet and bath. More storage space, oh. Nice, no? Hidden siya dyan. Then this is the toilet and bath. With toilet, of course, enclosed shower and sink right there. Itong toilet and bath na to, pwedeng gamitin ni bedroom number 1 and yung family room natin. Okay? Now, dito na tayo lalabas. Of course, hallway again. We have this bedroom number 2. Very nice. Cathedral ceiling style natin. Big windows right here. Tons of space. And ang ganda rin ng pattern na ginawa sa tiles natin. I don't know what it's called. Can you comment down below if you know kung anong pattern? Kasi yung nasa baba, herringbone style, ito. Comment down below. Okay. This room has its own closet space right here. May drawers na rin. Plus, own toilet and bath right here. So, sink, shower, and toilet. May window rin for natural light. Now, let's check this next room. Ito guys, I think very few houses has this type of room. This is one of them. This is a dedicated room for your storage. Imagine if you're a traveler, tapos you have your luggages, dito pwedeng ilagay, para hindi siya clutter sa mga main rooms natin. Tons of storage right here. Also, on the other side, di ba, napakaganda. Ayan, with, of course, window for natural light. Ang ganda, no? Now, let's check the master bedroom. Itong space na to, pwede ka pa may console dito, di ba? For your other things dyan. Now, master bedroom, really, really spacious. Imagine guys, oh, tons of space. Okay? Bed can go right here because meron tayong mga outlets on either side. Pwede ka pang may seating area dito. You have a view of Mount Arayat and your cul-de-sac right here. Nice. Then, of course, your master walk-in. Ang daming closet space. So you have this space. At saka ang ganda ng ginawa nila guys kasi even yung side pwede mong lagyan ng mga stuff. Diba? Ayan siya. Okay. Tons of closet space, of course. Then you have this spacious master bathroom with dual sink, his and her, your toilet, and your spacious shower area na partially enclosed. With of course window for natural light and ventilation, plus of course yung ating shampoo niche, very important yan for our bathroom stops. Now we have a door right here that goes to this private balcony ng master bedroom, of course with the pool view. And on the side, nandiyan again si Mount Arayat. Very nice. I think we covered most of the areas. Now let's do the recap. This property is priced at 48 million pesos. It has a lot area of 531 square meters, floor area of 543 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, swimming pool with jacuzzi, sauna, living area, show kitchen, daily kitchen, indoor and outdoor dining, family room, linen storage, spacious balconies, and so much more. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.